Hi friends, Namaste and welcome back. I'm Satya back here with another video for you. In this particular video, we are going to learn about one of the amazing interview questions like for internships or for the entry level positions. Okay, so let's see what actually our problem is. Our problem is about, I'll write here, checking whether twistings are anagram or not. Checking whether twistings are anagram or not. Okay, so what does anagram mean here? So anagram strings means those strings. Let me give you example and tell what actually anagram means. So if here is hello and here is LOL achi. So you can see here both of these strings are made up of the same characters, but the sequence of the characters in these strings are different. Okay, so anagram means such strings or those strings which are made up of the same characters, but in the characters in those strings are in different sequence. Okay, that's all about anagram strings, but our problem is check whether two strings are anagram or not. Okay, you can do this thing using many ways, so I'll be telling you one of the easiest way. For that we will be using one of the concept, that is sorting. Okay, so in this video you will also learn about how you can sort strings or how you can sort arrays, and you will learn about more things too, not only checking whether two strings are anagram or not. Okay, before going ahead, please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't done it, and like the video if you really like my way of telling you what actually we have to do. Okay, let's go ahead without ado. For that, first of all we'll sort the strings. We'll sort strings, then we will check the sorted string. Compare. Let me tell you, compare sorted. Okay, you can see here using sorting concept, if we have both of these strings, we know that for a string to be anagram with another, it should be made up of the same characters. So if we sort both of these strings in a same sequence, the character have the alphabetical order, then they both of the strings will be same if they are anagram, else they will be different after sorting. You can get that. Using sorting principle, we can easily check whether strings are anagram or not. For that, we have to take two user inputs. So to take user input, I am making object of scanner class. So for that, I will be writing as new scanner. Okay, inside this, I have to take input, keyboard input. So I have done like this. Okay, now I want to allow user to enter two strings. Okay, after getting two strings, we have to store them on our variables. So for that, I will be making the first string as str1 scanner dot next. Okay, you know that how to take user input. Okay, to store the another string, we have to do something like this. Okay, so after that we can also close scanner. Okay, scanner dot close. You can also do this to close the scanner because it should not take input longer. Okay, then we have to do is sort these strings. So let me tell you how we can sort these strings easily. If we can convert these strings to arrays, then we can easily sort these strings. So the thing that we can convert the strings to arrays is only in the array of characters. So let's do the task, that is convert these strings to the array of character. So for that, I have an idea. I will make the array of characters. So I'll do like this, arr1 equals, I'll do str1 dot to character array. This is one of the method that Java provides us. So you can easily convert your string to the array of character using this method. Okay, so let's convert another string to. So for that, I'm making arr2. Okay, then we are going to do like str2 dot to char array. Okay, clear. Now what we have to do is, now we can sort these arrays easily because the collection framework provides us arrays class, and arrays class brings a sort method for us. To do that, I have to do like arrays dot to string. Sorry, I am very sorry. Arrays dot sort. Okay, we can sort these arrays, so you can pass array to the sort method and sort that array in alphabetical order or ascending order. Now I have to do is I have to sort both ARR1 and ARR2. So first of all, we will sort ARR1. This arrays dot sort method will sort our ARR1 and override the existing value by the sorted array. So again we have to sort ARR2. So we are doing like this. You are clear? I know that. Now after sorting these arrays, we have to compare these sorted arrays. If both of these sorted arrays are equal, obviously both of these strings are anagram, else they are not anagram. So for that I will be making one method, that is I will make a method, that is I am going to make this as static because I don't want to make object of class and call this method. We have to return, I will write return either true or false, because if both of these strings are anagram, I will return true, and if both of these strings are not anagram, I will return false. So I am making giving name of the method as seek anagram. You can give any what you like, but making context or giving contextual name is the better idea. So I am returning true for default. Let me tell you one thing. What we have to do is we have to compare these two strings. For that we have to compare these sorted strings, so we have to pass this ARR1 and ARR2 which are sorted. So to pass this sorted arrays or sorted string after sorting, we have to define the parameter, declare the parameter as array of character. So I will do like that, str1 and comma char array of str2. Okay. Now let me show you one thing. Now both of these strings are anagram. Now if I do something like that, if I put 1 after this, the length of both of these strings is going to be different, and the character, the sequence of character and the total number of character is going to be default. So if the length of these arrays is different, they will never become anagram. So we have to check if the length of these arrays are same or not. So I'll do something like that. I can check if str1 dot length, so we can get from here long length not equals str2 2 dot length. If the length str1 and str2 are not equal, they will never become anagram. So we have to return is false. Now if this condition is false, the execution flow of program will get here. So we have to do something like that. We have to check each of the index of both of these strings. If each of the index are similar or equal, then they will always be anagram. So I am doing like this. I'll go till the str1 dot length, or you can go to the length till the length of str2, because after getting this condition false, the length of the str1 and the str2 will always be equal. So I have to give here semicolon. I just got that. Now we have to check the indexes of both of these. So if their value at the index is not equal to another, we have to do is str2. So if their value at the index are different, we will return false, because they will never become anagram if at the same index. After sorting those strings, if the character at the same index of both of these strings or arrays became different, they will never become anagram. So I am returning false, otherwise we will return true. Then if this line is executed, they will always be anagram. So it is well keeping them return true. Now if I just call this method inside the main method, after this we can surely say that anagram, whether strings are anagram or not. For that I am going to use if statement and check anagram. We have to pass these character arrays which cannot be null. So I am giving arr1 comma arr2. We are returning true If the condition is true, it means both of these strings are same after sorting, so they are anagram. So I am printing like that, strings are anagram. Okay, it's well. Now else we have to do is we have to print that, or we have to say that strings are not anagram. Okay, thing like that. You understood all of these things. I think it will work perfectly. Let's run this and check out whether it is working properly or not. If you haven't understand any of these statements, please go back few seconds and yes, you will. I think that you will surely understand easily. Okay, after running this, we can check whether two strings are anagram or not. It will ask to enter two strings. So enter two strings. I'm doing like that. I'm giving hello and master because these both of these strings are different. The sequence also doesn't is not same. Also the characters are also not same, so they will never be anagram. What's wrong with this? Let me tell you. Okay, you can see here what we are returning is length not equals another length, so they will return false. Otherwise it is returning true. It means this is well. Let's see. Sorry, our str2 is not converted to the character arrays. You may have get out my fault. So let's run this and check out whether it is working properly or not. It must work because it's well now. So strings are not anagram. Let me read on this and give two anagram inputs or two anagram strings. Now I'm going to give like that. I'm str and stamr. Now strings should be anagram. Okay, let me work with both of the values same. Okay, master and master. Okay, strings are anagram. Let me try with some numbers also. Okay, I'm giving hello 1 and I'll give hello 1 HCL. They must be anagram. Let me give some different numbers only. So I have given this and I am given this. They will never be equal. Strings are not anagram. Okay, hope you get what actually this problem is and how to solve this. Also, if you like the video, please don't forget to like the video and share with your friends so everyone will know about this topic and how to check whether the strings are anagram or not. So please don't forget to write good words about the channel with your friends and share. Have a good day, keep learning. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in another video with another topic.